About to take a look under the hood. I'm about to work on these. There's two sensors, one right here, one in the back right here. This sensor right here. So same as this sensor right here. This one's gonna. They're both gonna have a 10, and then they should just pop out. I'm about to look at them and try to clean them out, since the car is having a little bit of trouble. But like I said before, I doubt it's the sensors. I'm pretty sure it's the whole timing chain. Like I said, I did get the timing chain in, and I am waiting for a few parts. Some seals, like there's like 2 more seals that you don't need to get, but I want to get, just to prevent future oil leaks and stuff. There's 2 seals that the cover, the timing chain cover has. So I'm about to go ahead and look for those and get them before I try to get the try to do the whole timing chain. I did want to wait till the oil is a little darker, because I just did the oil change like about a couple weeks ago, so it looks like I'm gonna have to do it a little sooner, because the car does have trouble starting in the morning. It takes a couple turns in order for the car to turn. So I'm pretty sure it's the timing. I'm about to do the Rebel timing sensor, so hopefully that helps a little bit. But let's just go ahead and do it, and hopefully it's something good happens. So you gotta have safety first and some gloves. I am gonna use some carb cleaner, and because there's some it has an O-ring, and then brake cleaner fucks up the rubber seals pretty bad. So I'm gonna try it out with carb cleaner first, and if that doesn't work so well, I'm gonna use some brake cleaner and try to avoid the O-ring, and go from there. Should just pop out. There we go. Oh, some oil coming out, so try to prevent some oil. A lot of oil. There you go. As you can see, it's not that bad. It's not that dirty. So so in this case, I doubt that. Well, I'm actually gonna still clean it. You know, this is the rubber seal that I was talking about, trying to avoid. So I'm gonna spray this part of the sensor out and put it back in. So some car cleaner. If anything, this would be the dirtiest part to clean. But it's coming out alright. Let's try some brake cleaner. So it's looking not that bad. Let me go bring some I'm gonna go get a brush, and so I got my brush here, and then just brush this out. Good thing is away from the seal, and you can just go at it. So I tried scrubbing it off. I couldn't get all the little spring that's in there. I couldn't get all that. This is as clean as it'll get. I'm about to try some Lysol, since it did work with the O2 sensor. I'm about to probably just put it up to the line. I don't need that much. I don't think I do. I'ma just actually, you know what? I'm about to just go ahead and, since this area does need some cleaning, I'm about to go ahead and pour some in there. Let that sit in there. Go like this. Pour it all over. Pour it like so. Pour it all over. As you can see, it's already doing its magic. I'm gonna go ahead and lay it down so it's able to seep in there somewhat. Let's see what happens after a few minutes. I'm about to go ahead and get the other sensor out. Let's go ahead and get this sensor out and see if we can get it out. And see, it's not that dirty. It's probably even cleaner than the one in the front. Yeah, this one's not that bad. It's actually cleaner than the one in there. So let's take a look at this. Alright, so it's looking a lot cleaner. A lot cleaner. Probably all the white from when you add it, but let's clean it real quick. Spray it down with some carbs. And Lysol did a trick. If you wanted to clean sensors, it's a good cleaning solution. I recommend this. It's not golden no more. It looks a lot cleaner than what it was. It's pretty clean. Let's go ahead and put this one back. I think I'm gonna put this in. I'm about to do the same thing with the sensor, with the sensor B. Let's see what it does. It's not that dirty, but comparing these two, this one's a lot better than this one. So let's see what happens. Alright, so see, this is Lysol doing its work right now. I'm gonna do the same thing. Just leave it in here. Let it sit, and while we put the other one back in there. Let's go put this sensor back in. I'm gonna go get some grease and put it on here. Actually, I got some of this AutoZone high temp grease. We only really need a little bit, just like a little smush. Just go around it. All you really need. You also need to clean the surface of this. Make sure no garbage goes in there. It's looking clean. And then just go ahead and stick this in. There we go. That one's in. And not a lot of mess, but get the 10 mil and stick it in there. Tying down by hand first. Always tying down the bolts by hand, and then just snug it in with the ratchet, and it should be good. That should be it. Just a little quarter turn, and plug the sensor back in. We did have some oil leak down here. Go ahead and put a paper towel in here, and with the carb cleaner, because we have the alternator and the belt right here, just spray it a little bit, cover as much as you can. Protect. I'm running out of carb cleaner, so I got my brake cleaner. That's all you need. Alright. And it's a lot cleaner than what it was. Central one down. Let's go look at the other one. Second sensor in here, clean it up. And it's looking a lot cleaner. And then just spray it down, carb cleaner. Brake cleaner. Wipe it down. Wipe it down. Let's go install this. Same thing. Grab a little bit of grease and just dab it in there. Make sure this seal is good. I did just add some brake cleaner, so grease is a good lube for seals. And put it back in here. You can't see, but just goes in like so. Fuck, did I take this? Like so. I won't be able to clean back here, so with the napkin, just clean as much as you can. They can't see nothing. Grab the 10. Grab the 10. Line that up. Put the 10 in there. Always by hand. So, grab the ratchet. This ratchet tight. And that's good. Plug the sensor back in. And that's just a little VVT sensor cleaning. Hopefully it'll last, it'll go a bit. And it starts. Actually, let's go see if it. Oh, so the car starts after once it's been started and warm, it'll start right up. So right now I won't be able to show you anything. It's only when it's cold that it has trouble starting. So we'll have to see. I'm gonna have to check it out the next time it's cold and starts. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys how to clean the sensors. Lysol seems to be doing some good cleaning with sensors apparently. Thank you for watching this, and hopefully I'm able to get the seals for the timing cover, because I got the chain already. So we'll get the seals, and then hopefully the car doesn't have too much trouble starting in the morning. But yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see what happens with the timing chain. So I did forget to show you guys the oil. Like it did say that it just had an oil change. It is pretty full. Look at the oil. The oil's still pretty clean. Let me get a clean towel. The oil should be good. Should be right here on the fill line. See that oil's still pretty good. It's not that dark. Like I said, I did do the oil change not too long ago, so oil should still be pretty good. But we'll see with the I did want to do the timing chain with once it was ready to get another oil change, but I'm gonna have to do it a lot sooner. So we'll see what happens with that, and go from there. Peace out.